It's just about time for Valentine's Day, and we want to show you our version of cinnamon rolls so that you can spread a little cinnamony puffed sweetness around. And if you are single, don't worry, these are good enough that you won't want to share them anyway. This cinnamon roll recipe starts with the Taiwanese white bread dough once again. We recommend using between 35 and 40 grams of sugar since the filling is pretty sweet. As the dough rises, we can prepare both the cream cheese frosting and the cinnamon sugar filling. For the cinnamon sugar filling, melt 2 tablespoons of butter with a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of cardamom to bring out a unique flavor in the spice. After the mixture is smooth, allow it to cool to room temperature. For the cream cheese frosting, mix a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of cream cheese and a teaspoon of milk to loosen the mixture. Then transfer it into a small Ziploc bag so we can pipe it onto the cinnamon buns later. After the dough has risen for 60 minutes, punch it down and cut the dough ball in half, and roll it out into a large rectangle, about a 1/4 inch thick. Spread a very thin layer of the cinnamon sugar mixture across the whole rectangle. Then roll the dough up into a tight roll. Use your bench scraper to cut the roll into 12 pieces. On the side, you'll want to beat an egg yolk with a teaspoon of milk. Place the rolls into a greased baking dish and then repeat with the second half of the dough ball. Allow the rolls to rise for 30 to 40 minutes or until proofed. You can see that the rolls are proofed by poking them. If the indentation from the poke does not spring back, then the rolls are ready to bake. Right before baking, brush the tops of the cinnamon rolls with the egg wash. Bake the cinnamon rolls in a 350-degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes, until the tops are golden brown. Wait for the rolls to cool a little before piping on the cream cheese icing, or if you like it sweeter, just spread it on with a knife. These are the cinnamon rolls that you make to share but end up wanting to keep for yourself. We hope you enjoyed this video and will support us by subscribing to the channel and hitting that like button, and we will see you in the next one when it's time to eat again.